What's up? This is Camera Night 3. I'm here to show you the saba right here, as you can see. Now when I put in batteries, right here, batteries, into saba, these are good batteries and everything, it just doesn't work. So what I do is I'm going to take it apart, like so. Take a screwdriver, let me get my other one here. Alright, take a screwdriver, a little small one, and unscrew. Alright, here's one of the screws of the headpiece. Time to go on the other side. Excuse me when I'm about to sneeze. Nope, yes, no, I don't know. Okay, there's both of those. The headpiece is off, now he's bald. Turn him over. Get the inside of this one here. Okay. Let's see if I can get this one out now. There we go. That one is out. Time for the other one. If I can get to it and you're not even looking, because my webcam is a douche. You stay there. Okay. Now, well, it seems like that one doesn't want to come out. So we'll go on to the next one. Okay. Next one. Okay, next one. Wish I knew how to time lapse, or I'll make it a lot easier for you all. Man, this is really arm tiring. I'm gonna put them closer to me, so you might have to stare at the ground for a second. Oh, here goes Sub's head. Let's see. side. Let's put that all right there. All this right there. Now, when I take a look at the main thing here, as you can not see because you're falling. Alright, now here's the main component of the thing. When I put in the batteries, it just didn't work. I don't know if it's fry or it's missing components, because right here looks like it's missing components, as you can see. And I don't know what that is or not, so if you can help me with that, thank you. Other than that, I don't know if it's just fried, needs to be clean, needs to be taken care of or not. But let's try putting in batteries one more time. Okay, putting in one right there, one right there. Alright, the batteries are in. Let's press a button. Ain't working. And maybe it is working and the speaker's just messed up. I don't know. I'm taking a look at the speaker now, and it looks, everything looks alright, but I'm not quite sure. So I am going to fiddle with this more. If y'all can help me with this, thank you very much. I mean, I really want my saba to be on, and if this is the only way I need to do it, then please help me. And that is all.